Stop! You definitely want to watch this video today. We're at dark and I got a good message to talk to you today. 2 days ago, I was talking to a friend of mine and he wanted to start an online business and had a limited budget. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I told him because I believe you can go ahead and build an influence online as soon as humanly possible, especially in 2020. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. It's a beautiful night here today, and today's topic, we're gonna talk about starting an online business with a limited budget as soon as humanly possible. But if this is your first time here, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget that bell notification. That way you get videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to talk about the content. Yes, you can start a business with a limited budget. Now 2 days ago, I was talking to a friend of mine and wanted to start an online business but had a limited budget. Now, I asked him a couple of questions. I said, first of all, yes, you can start an online business with a limited budget, but you do need to have a plan of action on what you want to accomplish. So, first, I asked him, do you have a website or do you have a YouTube channel or do you have them both? He said no, he didn't have neither one of them. Actually, both of my friends said they didn't have a YouTube channel or a website. So I said, well, choose one of them that you want to go ahead and start your influence in terms of how you're going to go ahead and present your storytelling, your marketing process, your products, anything you're trying to sell or market. You definitely need to have one or the other or even both of them. But in the beginning, it's good to choose just one. So he chose YouTube channel. So I said, well, with your limited budget, I would go ahead and get some video editing equipment, some simple video editing equipment. Movavi is a really good editing equipment and it's definitely affordable within less than $100. So Movavi is a really good video editing system. And then I told him to purchase a YouTube course or YouTube coach to help you market it and sell your product that you're trying to do with a limited budget. Then I say, okay, so what do you want to do with this YouTube channel? So he wants to do cooking. He wants to go ahead and sell his cooking channel. Well, he wants to start a cooking channel and sell his recipes and sell his products he's selling, like the different type of, he want to sell his actual equipment, like I'm trying to say it. He asked me to sell his cooking equipment. So I say, why don't you go to Amazon and see if you can find that same type of cooking equipment that you're using. You can start an Amazon associate program for free. So you go to Amazon and you'll become an affiliate. You can pick an Amazon affiliate program for free, and then you can search for products on Amazon and sell them through your YouTube channel, and that's free. So I said, just look at that. Plus you got a YouTube course and you have a video editing equipment. All is very affordable. So that's what he's gonna do, and my other friend's gonna do this exact same thing, but his thing is gonna be affiliate marketing. He definitely wanna do more affiliate marketing. He wants to go around and selling different products and services about making money online. So that's what he said. So I recommend him. Right below this video, I do have an online marketing program that he's gonna go ahead and take action on. And if you're interested in doing that because it's good marketing, it's good training, I suggest you click on the link right below this video. It's my #1 recommendation to starting online business, especially in affiliate marketing. And with this program, you'll go ahead and click on the link and then you'll add your email information in there. After that, you'll watch a short video and then you'll take action on the next possible steps. You'll be given an advisor. That advisor will walk you through each and every single step in terms of building your online business through affiliate marketing or any type of marketing strategy that you may want to do or products you want to do. So both of them can start that out with a very affordable budget. So yes, you can start your own online business in 2020. Absolutely, you definitely can do that with a limited budget because they thought you had to start the business and have all this money. And I said, you don't need all this money to start an online business. You do not need a lot of money to start a business. So you just need to have that vision, that passion. You need to have that thing that you want to do every single day or each and every week. So with his YouTube channel, with what the other guy's going to do, with his cooking channel, he said he's going to do a video each week, but I told him to go ahead and get a course, YouTube course, to teach him the way. And I said, get some video editing equipment. That way you can edit your videos as well. And with my other friend, he's going to do an affiliate marketing program with the same website right below this video. You can sign up for it as well. And he's going to learn how to market his product through this digital marketing format program, what I highly suggest you to do, especially if you're interested in growing your online business through affiliate marketing. So that's all I got here today. Click on the link below to start your affiliate marketing program or learn how to build a digital marketing program. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is Adam Shelton giving you the goods today. And both of my friends are very, very happy and excited, and they're starting to build their business in 2020. So you can do the same thing. Just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video. I can't wait.